kayo. Pero ang nagpaiwan kasi, ang talagang nagpaiwan, whether most vocal or in some places, silent. Pero nandito pa rin sa opposition, ang PDP. So, in democracy, whether you like it or not, there has to be some form of dissent. Alam mo sa democracy, you define democracy. Sabihin mo lang, it's a system of government without dissent. And that is not democracy at all. Ang essence na democracy is kung may gusto mong sabihin karamihan, isihuda ko